Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for our lesson today, all right, we are going to continue about the example 24. This one is still chapter 12, measures of central tendencies. Okay, now look at this one, example 24. You can refer to your maths textbook, page 265. The question is the table show the number of spelling errors made by Form 2 Amanah student when writing essay in Malay. Okay, so given to you this frequency distribution table. Okay, as you can see in the table here, okay, there is a value of x here for the number of the student, for the data or the number of spelling error equal to 2. Okay, x. That means we don't know the actual value here. Okay, so question A, if the mean of the student spelling error is 2.4, calculate the value of x. And B, if the median for the frequency distribution is 3, calculate the maximum value of x. And C, if the mode of the student spelling errors is 2, determine the minimum possible value of x. Okay, now look at the A, how to solve A to find the mean. Okay, for A, uh, uh, question asks you to calculate the value of x if the mean of the student is 2.4. So remember the formula to find the mean for the group data. This one we call as a group data because the data is given to you in the frequency distribution table. All right, remember when the data is given to you in the form of table, so it is a group data. So to find the mean for the group data, the formula is mean equal to, okay, summation in bracket frequency multiply with the data close bracket, then you divide by the total number of the frequency. Okay, so we use the formula. So mean equal to, okay, this one 4 multiply with the 0 is what, this one we want to find the summation of the frequency multiply with the data or frequency multiply with the number of spelling error. So that's why here 4, the student is 4, the number of spelling error is 0. So 4 multiply with the 0, then plus and x. Okay, the number of student is 8. So x multiply with the 1, then plus and here x. Okay, so you write here x, the number of student is x. So multiply with the 2, number of spelling error, then plus with the 6, the number of student is 6. And the spelling error is 3. So 6 multiply with the 3, then plus 5. The number of students is 5, multiply with the 4, number of spelling error, then plus with the number of the student is 4 multiply with the 5. Okay, then we divide by the total frequency or the total number of the student. So you divide by the 4 plus 8 plus x, 4 plus 8 plus x plus 6 plus 5 and plus 4, then equal to 2.4 because the mean is given to you 2.4. All right, so we already form an equation here. Okay, so you have to solve this equation. Okay, so this one 4 times 0 equal to 0. So this one 8. Okay, 8 plus 2x plus 18. Okay, plus 20 and plus 20. And you will get 2x plus 66. Then divide by, okay, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus x plus 6. Okay, 18. Okay, plus 5, 23. And plus 4, 27. So we have x plus 27. So equal to 2.4. Okay, so this one, how to solve this one? So this x plus 27, you have to bring to your right side. It will become 2x plus 66 equal to 2.4 in bracket x plus 27. Okay, then we have to expand this one, 2.4 multiply with the x. You will get 2.4x plus 2.4 you multiply with the 27, you will get equal to 64.8. Okay, then we have to rearrange this mathematical equation. So we place the number with the variable in the same side. Okay, so 2x. So this 2.4x you have to bring to your left side. It will become minus okay, it will become 2.4x minus 2x. Okay, here. Okay, 2.4x. Okay, actually 2.4x you remain here. This 2x here, 2x you bring to your right side, it will become 2.4x minus 2x. So same here, 2.4x minus 2x. So equal to 66. Okay, this one plus 64.8 you have to bring to your left side, it will become minus 64.8. So that's why here it is equal to 66 minus 64.8. Okay, all right. So this one equal to 0.4x equal to 1.2. Okay, so to find the x, this 0.4 we have to bring to your right side. And remember the operation is multiplication. Where you bring to your right side, it will become a division. So x equal to 1.2, you divide by the 0.4 and you will get x equal to 3. So the answer is a 3. Okay, all right. Okay, now we look at the solution for B. Okay, question B. If the median for the frequency distribution is 3, calculate the maximum value of x. Okay, all right. So how to do this one? So first step, what to do? You have to change the data, the form of data from this group data. You have to list the data in the ungrouped data. You have to list out all the data here in the form of ungrouped data. So how to do this one? So look at the table here. So we have the data for the zero. For the zero, if you refer to this table, the zero number of spelling error made by the student, there is 4 students. So that's why here you write 0 is 4. 0 is repeated 4 times. So 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay, then after that, the data 1. Data 1, we have 8 students. So you have to write 1 repeated 8 times. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. And then after that, the data 2. 2, the number of students is unknown, which is equal to x. So you just write 2, okay, dot, 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 and 2. Because we don't know the actual number of students for this one. So you just write like this. Okay, then we have the data 3. 3 is equal to 0. If you look at this one, sorry, the data 3, the number of spelling, we have 6. 6. So you have to write 3 6 times. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, this one if you calculate, there is a set data of the 3 repeated, and then after that is 4. The data 4 is repeated 5 times. So you have to write 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. And the last one is the data 5. Data 5 is repeated 4 times. So you have to write like this. Okay, all right. Okay, next, what to do? Okay, again, we read the question. Okay, the question says, if the median for the frequency distribution is 3, calculate the maximum value of x. Okay, so look at this one. The 3 is the median. Okay, so if you, okay, so 3, the first number of 3 here, you place here at the middle. Okay, because the 3 here is the medium for this question B. So to find the maximum value of x, okay, if the median is located here, if the median is 3 here, so we can form a new mathematical equation, which is this one. Okay, 4 plus 8. Okay, 4. How to get 4? Because the number of data 0 repeated is 4. So 4 plus, and for 1, the number of data repeated is, or the frequency is 8. So 4 plus 8. Then plus x. Then equal to, okay, 5 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, this one 5 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so this one you will get 12 plus 12 plus x equal to 40. Okay, so x equal to 14 minus 12, which is equal to 2. Okay, 2. Okay, so thus the greatest value for x is 2. So the answer is 2. So the value for x, the higher, greatest or the higher value for x, it is equal to 2. It cannot more than 2 if the median for this data is 3 here. Okay, so the answer for B, the maximum value of x is a 2 here. Okay, now look at question C. C, if the mode of the student, a spelling error is 2, determine the maximum possible value of x. Okay, all right. So how to do? The mode, remember what is mode? Mode is the data which is have the higher frequency. Okay, so as mentioned in this question C, is the mode of the student spelling error is 2. So 2. So how to determine the minimum possible value of x? So firstly, you need to look at the highest frequency between this data, so which is equal to 8. So the value for x should be higher than 8. Okay, so it should be 9. So that's why the answer for C, the minimum possible value of x is 9. Okay, all right, class. So for today's lesson, I will stop here. Okay, I will stop here. So we discuss the example 24 only. And again, if you have any question, you can ask me in the Telegram class. Okay, so for exercise today, I want you to answer this one. Okay, please do self practice 12.1. Okay. Okay, I want you to answer question 40. Just one question only. Self practice 12.1. Please do question 40. Okay, you can answer this one in your maths exercise 2. Okay, all right. So that's all for our class today. All right. So thank you, class.